So in this video, you'll learn how to remove fingerprints from your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to removing a fingerprint or fingerprints is to just go ahead and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you then want to scroll and select Lock Screen. And then from here, you're going to tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. Enter in the current PIN, password or pattern that you're using, and then select the option Fingerprints. Under Fingerprints, you should see the fingerprint or fingerprints that you currently have added to your tablet. So if you want to delete one, you can just go ahead and select it. And once it's been selected, you're going to tap on Remove in the top right corner. Confirm that you wish to remove the fingerprint from your tablet, and now that fingerprint data has been successfully erased from your Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. If you want to remove any other fingerprints, you can just go ahead and go through the same process of removing that fingerprint. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.